Hey guys, here we are with homework number 7. I think you're going to like these questions today because they go quick. This is your idea of fun. Quick question, quick answers. Homework 7. Let's get started. First off, what's given to you is this little function, f of x is equal to 8x minus 9. What they do is they give you numbers that they want you to plug in to your function. So they'll say, all right, for this function, 8x minus 9, let's give you this 4 that you want to plug in there. So they give you a function, they give you a value to plug in. You're going to substitute it for x. So we had 8x minus 9. What we'll do is in place of the x, we're going to plug in the number that they gave you. So given to you is a 4, so in place of the x, you plug in a 4. Then it's just you doing some math, like 8 times 4, 32, 32 minus 9 is 23. So 8 times 4, that's 32. 32 minus 9, that's 23. So on these problems, whatever number's provided, you're going to substitute in place of x and then run the math from there. So there's example 1. All right, let's roll example number 2. F of x is equal to 12x plus 10. And so your job is to find f. Let's put a negative value this time. So 12x plus 10, but this time you have a negative value you got to shoot in there. Still run it the same way. You've got your 12, you got your plus 10, but we have a negative that we got to put in place of x. So now you're taking 12 times negative 5, which is negative 60. So it gets a little trickier with the negative sign, but as long as you're paying attention, it's not bad. Negative 60 plus 10, and that's negative 50, and that's your answer. So I was telling you guys, you're going to like these problems today. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. Let's do 3 and 4. Number 3. F of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 14. Okay, so now what we've got is we've got an x squared here, so here's an x and there's an x. So you've got 2 of them in here that you've got to find. Let's plug in a value, let's go positive 3. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 14. So you have a substitution for this x and a substitution for that x. You got to put it into both spots. So we grab the 3. We drop him in here. We grab the 3, drop him in there. So now you got to clean this up, clean this up, clean this up all the way across. 3 squared, that's 9. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 14. So you got 9 minus 18 plus 14. What do we got to 13, negative 5? Giving you a negative 5 left over for an answer. All right, so the trick on that one, you got a couple x's, so you got a couple substitutions. So you got to plug in twice. All right, third example in the books. One more. Okay, number 4. F of x is equal to 3x squared minus 7x plus 20. Oh yeah. Okay, we gotta find f negative 2. All right, so our job now is we've got 3x squared minus 7x plus 20. You've got to count for both of these. So we have this x and that x. And if you have 2 x's, then you got to drop in for both of them. This time it's a negative number. Oh, a negative number. So we have a negative 2 that's squared and a negative 2 that's here. Uh-oh, this is going to be crazy. So let's do this first. Question right here. Do you do multiplying by 3 first or do you hit it by the exponent first? Multiply first or exponents first? Oh, it's definitely the exponent. So we've got to take a negative 2 squared first. What is a negative times a negative? So negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Oh, right here, boom, boom. Negative times negative, positive 14. And then plus 20 hanging out on the end. So this negative 2 squared becomes positive 4. You still have to take care of the 3. 3 times 4 gives you 12, plus 14, plus 20. Whoops, ran out of room. We'll scale it up here. So you have, for the home stretch, you have 12, plus 14, plus 20. And then to finish it off, we'll just add that up. What, 12 plus 14, 26 plus 20. So the whole thing turns out to give you 46. Boom, boom, boom. There's our answer. Okay, so there's the 4 examples. This one was a little tricky in that you had to take a negative number squared and then you had to multiply it by 3. So that process right there may be a little trap for you. And again, negative times negative is positive 14. So those are the things you want to watch out for on this assignment. Okay, so that was our 4 examples. Let's give you the 4 homework problems for homework number 7. Okay, so homework 7 are 4 problems. I believe we're all the way to number 25 now. So this is 25, is f of x is equal to 10x plus 9. You've got to find f of 5. I might be able to get another one down here. 26. F of x is equal to 2x minus 4. And you got to find f of negative 7. Alright guys, so I got 4 of these. We got 25, 26, 27, and 28. There's the first 2, 25 and 26. Let's get the next 2 up here. So here's 27. F of x is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 11. And you'll find f of 3. And let's do this last one. (28), which is f of x equal to 6x squared plus 5x minus 1. Find f of negative 2. Alright, so for homework 7, there you go. And just so you know, this is all due at, let's see here, due at noon on Wednesday, April 22nd. Oh, you can't quite see that. Due at noon on April 22nd. You can see it down there now, that's a little better. Alright guys, homework 7, get after it.